We all know how the Rivers State students have been suffering in this state. When I mean suffering, you recall that for the past 5 years, His Excellency have not been able to meet the demands of all Rivers State students. We have had 3 different administrations, which I happen to be the 3rd one. We had the likes of Vincent Danjombo, we have the likes of Patrick Ogboyi, and we have myself as the current president of National Union of Rivers State Students. And you will recall that these persons, times without number, have sent messages to His Excellency, the Governor of Rivers State. They have sent different messages to His Excellency. We have been able to commend His Excellency on his developmental stride. But we have seen that in delivering his own developmental strides, he has been partial. When we mean that he has been partial, when it comes to students' welfare, it is 0. When it comes to students' welfare, it is 0. The students have not been able to access His Excellency. His Excellency, the Governor of Rivers State, have not been able to have an interactive section with all Rivers State students. He has not been able to attend to all Rivers State students in a symposium, to have a personal rapport, to know how the students are feeling, to know what they needed most in campuses. He has done well in infrastructural development, but the students' angle is 0. We are here to have this solidarity gathering, to discuss and to talk and to pass our message to the general public and directly to His Excellency, that he should as well, while doing his other developmental stride, to look into the angle of the students' area. We are talking on behalf of all Rivers State students. You will recall that the governor for the past 5 years have not been able to give us an essay on students' affairs. That is to show that there is no love for the students. There is no father to run to. Even if the Commissioner for Education can never be accessible, which is showing that the Commissioner for Education does not also have interest for education, but he has interest for his pocket. Yes. He's only going about to inspect projects, but he doesn't know how the Rivers State students are feeling. So today, we are sending a message to His Excellency. What we want from His Excellency is not too much. What we want from His Excellency is to come to our aid. We remember that we just passed through these recent times of pandemic. We are even still in the pandemic. As we speak to you, initially the markets were shut down. They just reopened the markets. Our students have different businesses they are doing on their campuses. But those businesses are shut down because we don't have schools. There are no schools, sorry. Our parents have lost their jobs. Even some of the students that have the little business they do, they cut hair, they do manicure and pedicure, they do all sorts of businesses. No customers anymore because the schools are shut down. This period, our parents are crying. We have parents that have 4 children. We have parents that have 5 children. We have parents that have 3 children, 2 children. We have parents that have students in the primary and secondary schools. But these parents, after this pandemic, how would they pay the fees of their students? This is our greatest concern. Greatest Rivers State students. Yes! This is our greatest concern. So we are calling on the attention of the governor. Probably he has not heard this. We have sent series of letters to His Excellency, the Governor of Rivers State, to have access to him, to familiarize with him, to solidify with him. But His Excellency have not been able to meet with Rivers State students. And we believe that some persons are also matching those letters that we have sent to him. But we don't have any other means to send our message, but to use through this medium to send the message to His Excellency. We know that he's a father that loves the struggle. We know when before he was a local government chairman, how he went ahead to carry out protests, to carry out to solidify with the current administration of that time, to tell them how to pay bursary. Where they refused to pay bursary, he told them that he one day will become local government chairman. But today, he is the governor of Rivers State, and we expect him to do those things which he has said that he wants to do for all Rivers State students. We are expecting that he should pay all school fees of all Rivers State students. So, Your Excellency, we want to appeal that you please pay the school fees of all Rivers State students. Adopted! This is our cry. This is our plea. We have stayed as Rivers State students, but we are not carried along. The North president, the North executives, the Senate arm we are not carried along, and we are not happy. The commissioner of education that was appointed, just commissioner that was appointed, have not been able to meet with Rivers State students, but he's going about to visit schools. He's going about to do other things. When we have students that will also work with him, we have students that will also go around with him. That is to show that he has the students at heart, not to go for only his pocket. So we are calling on His Excellency to please pay the school fees of every Rivers State student. And if he does that, he will score the highest of all Rivers State governors. If he does that, he will score the highest of all Rivers State governors, because no governor have been able to pay all Rivers State students school fees. Greater Rivers State students. Yes. No governor that have been able to.
If your mama rejects you.
No governor have been able to pay Rivers State students school fees. If he does that, even if he has 90% now, his percentage will be 110%. If he pays the school fees of all Rivers State students, he will score 110%.
Adopted!
This is our plea. This is our cry as Rivers State students. We are saying this as a means to consolidate, as a means to consult. We are saying this, we don't want to confront, because we are peace-loving students. But if the thing means to, if it calls for us to confront, we will come out in our numbers to confront. We will come out in our numbers to confront the Rivers State government. We will come out in our numbers to confront every commissioner of police. We will come out in our numbers to confront the House of Assembly.
Agree!
We have House of Assembly members that pass through this struggle.
Freedom comes by struggle.
Freedom comes by struggle, by struggle. Freedom comes.
We have essays that pass through this struggle, but they have decided to abandon the struggle that made them who they are. They have decided to abandon that struggle that made them who they are today. I believe they want to see the students in us, and we'll be able to give them that students in action. We don't want to just confront. We want to consult, we want to consolidate, and we have been able to consult enough. We have been able to consolidate enough. The ones that our predecessors did are enough. The likes of Mazi, the likes of Vincent Danjumbo, the likes of Patrick Ogbuyi, they all consulted, they all consolidated, they all submitted different letters, but no response. And we are here, still on the same angle, on the same point of agenda. How long shall we stay at a particular place? We want to move forward as Rivers State students. It should pay us our school fees. It should pay us our school fees. Our school fees is the bursary. Pay it directly to our porter. Don't give it to our account. Don't give it to our hand. Pay it directly to our porter. Adopted? Adopted. Pay it directly to our porter. If you pay it to our porter, you will know the right students of Rivers State. If you pay it to our porter, there will be no embezzlement. If you pay it to our porter, it will serve the purpose. When a thing is not explained, abuse becomes inevitable. Yes. But we are able to explain how this bursary should be paid. Pay it directly to our porter, and it will say well of your name as Your Excellency Ezebunwo Nyesom Wike. Thank you, and God bless you.
Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our rights.
Greatest Rivers State students.